everybody, today I am so excited because we are going shopping for Christmas clothing. Not the fancy outfits, we are going for actual Christmas clothing. So we are gonna go walk around the mall, see what there is for Christmas clothing. We are going to try Christmas clothing on, and then I'm gonna show you what I end up with. I do currently have two like ugly Christmas sweaters. I also do have some like t-shirts, but I really do want to get myself like a cool Christmas like dress or something like that. So fingers crossed that there's still some because it's like December now, so yeah. The other part of this video that I want to mention is it's December 1st, and technically a lot of YouTubers like to do Vlogmas and stuff like that. On my channel for the past 2 years, I tried to do like T-Xmas, and I would try to post like so much content to the point where I was like almost putting out content that didn't really matter, and it wasn't like quality content, and it was just to put something out. So from now until Christmas, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put out as much quality content as I can. Normally I post Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Whenever I have a quality video to go up, that's when it's gonna go up for December. I am so excited to be doing this. I ended up going to Urban Planet and I ended up picking up this long purple dress shirt. It was for men, but it was a really cute dress shirt in a size small. It had little reindeer and Christmas trees on it, and I thought this would have been such a great cute piece to build an outfit with for Christmas. If they had an extra small, I would have picked it up. In all honesty, it was just a little too big in the wrong places. Even in the back, it was a little bit too big. I really wanted to get this and pair it with like a pair of leggings or a pair of jeans, or tuck it into a shirt and belt it. I thought of so many different ways I could have worn this if it was in a size extra small. But it was so cute. If you're having a hard time finding that right type of shirt, definitely check out the men's Christmas like dress up shirts, because some of them are very cute. So the next sweater I tried on was the adorable polar bear light blue sweater. This was so cute, so soft. How soft it looks on camera was actually how soft it was on the outside and on the inside. It had so many little pom-poms on it. The polar bear had a little pom-pom on it. It was a 50% off sale, so really it would have only came out to $10. I put it on in a medium. I feel like a large would have been the best size for me. I'd rather the sweater be a little bit more oversized. Honestly, when I go back next time, if it is there, I will get it. I don't know if they were kids or not, but even if they were kids, they were cute. If you can fit in kids clothing, definitely check out their Christmas shirts and sweaters. The next one was a ugly Christmas cardigan that I wanted to try on because it felt like that ugly Christmas theme. It had ribbons and pom-poms and like a gingerbread house and almost like a night Christmas vibe to it, if that makes any sense. I really couldn't picture myself wearing it with anything, but that does kind of fit the theme of an ugly Christmas sweater or cardigan. But out of the three that I tried on, that one was my least favorite, but I would definitely go back and get that polar bear one for sure, and probably that long sleeve blouse. If it's in a size extra small, maybe a small, I'd have to see. But yeah, so going to Walmart. So I ended up finding this PES t-shirt, and it was cute because it was red shirt and it was almost like a cotton shirt. It was very comfortable actually, and it had little PESs on it. Now this had a Santa, a snowman, an elf, a penguin, and the Santa lit up. If you can see that in my clips, it is so cute. I thought it was such a cute t-shirt, especially for someone who maybe just doesn't really want to do like the whole Christmas thing, or if they love PESs or candies. The only thing is I tried on a small and it was a little bit big, so I definitely would have needed an extra small. This was a reindeer sweater. A reindeer sweater. It was so cute. Walmart had a ton of them. I guess no one was buying them, and I may know why. The patch of like the faux fur was extremely soft. It was like the softest thing I have ever felt. I was sitting in the change room just feeling that fake fur. And on the back it had a hood with antlers, and I absolutely fell in love so quickly with this sweater. I really did want it. It was about $30, I know that, and I was actually going to buy this because this one was my favorite out of all of them. The only thing is the jingle bells were really loud, and I feel like I would personally get very annoyed with them quickly. So I think the next time I go to the mall, if they're still there, I would want to take all the jingle bells off and replace them with either some pom-poms or maybe some jingle bells that don't have like the jingle in them, maybe like a fake jingle bell or something, because that could be a fun little Christmas sweater DIY video. The next one was like a gingerbread man sweater. Some were smaller, some were bigger. They were all different. They were really cute. The sweater on the outside was very, very soft and plushy, similar to the one from Urban Planet. The only thing is on the inside it wasn't as soft, and you could definitely feel, I'm not sure what you call them, they're not beads, but you can almost feel like that on the inside of the sweater. So for the two sweaters being the same price, about $20, I would definitely pick the one from Urban Planet before this one, only because it wasn't as soft as the one from Urban Planet. But this one was really, really cute. The other thing that I wasn't sure about was how it cut off on the end. It kind of just made me feel really boxy, and I know it's supposed to be an ugly Christmas sweater, but at the same time that one just was not for me. So the next one that we're going into is actually the same exact sweater as the Gingerbread Man one, but in black, and I actually enjoyed this one a lot better. I'm not sure if it's because this one's a darker color and I just wasn't a fan of the white, but I just found with the black elf sweater, it was so cute because it made you look like a little elf, and I was really thinking about getting this one, but the only reason why I didn't was because on the inside it was not plushy and soft like the one from Urban Planet, like the little polar bear one. I do feel like the black was a little bit more flattering on my body than the white one, so I definitely feel like I would have taken the elf one over the Gingerbread Man one. But again, for $20 you are getting yourself a really cute ugly Christmas sweater. So that's going to wrap up all my Christmas shirts and sweaters that I tried on today for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. My absolute favorite one was that reindeer one that I feel like I should go back and get to do a DIY on it, and the other one that I absolutely loved and think was so adorable was that polar bear one, which I feel like if I go to the mall again I will probably pick that up because I know for a fact that I would wear it. So those two are my absolute favorite. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite, not necessarily on me, but just let me know which one that you guys thought was the cutest, the prettiest, or the ugliest one out of all of them. I also want to go to Value Village to try on or purchase some thrifted ugly Christmas sweaters or cute Christmas sweaters, and I want to order some on Amazon to try also. I'm still on the hunt for some dresses or skirts for Christmas time because I really do want to wear one on Christmas Eve, so I'm still on the hunt for that. So if this video does get to 20 thumbs up, then I will do more of these videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is December 1st and I am posting this to begin my Christmas month and Christmas content, so please make sure to check out my social media, subscribe if you have not, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.